Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tanx. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to secant of s squared dx. So this one we change by u. Secant of s squared dx we change by du. So this one, that is about u to the power of 1 over 2, because the square root represents about 1 over 2. So if we want to put this one go to numerator, we have u to the power of negative 1 over 2 du. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. So we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. U we change by tanx. Now we can do the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to cotx. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative cosecant of s squared dx, because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change by u. Cosecant of s squared dx we change by negative du. So this one, that is about u to the power of 1 over 2. So if we want to put this one on numerator, we need to put the negative side on the power. And now we apply the formula in here. So this one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. About u we have cotx, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.